I got this Husqvarna 141 for free. Let's get into it. The guy at work gave me this Husqvarna 141 for free. So one of his rental homes, somebody left it there. Didn't have a bar on it or a chain. So I picked up a bar and chain for it. But all the covers and everything's loose. Some's got sheetrock screws holding it on. So I'm just going to kind of tear it apart and see what all I kind of need. Get or see if I got some off another part saw or something. I think they got a long enough screw there holding the top cover down. How long this one is. But somebody drilled a new hole for the field line, and the field line that they put in there does not seal up the hole, so it's all sloppy. But the carburetor looks like they put a new one on. Did they even put a filter on that, I wonder? Oh, they did. Nope. No filter. Oh boy. So there's a hole they made there. And see, they got all that stuff on there. On the side of it. Whatever it is, it doesn't like gas. It comes right off. But it doesn't seem to be no hole there. I'm going to try to cut that off with a knife and see if it's... see what's going on with it. Well, folks, I'm gonna look online, see what I can find for parts. See if I can find someone that has one of these used. They're selling miscellaneous screws and bolts and that kind of stuff. I don't think the gas tank, that goop was leaking the gas tank. I think they put it around the gas line because they got the wrong gas line. Have to get some, see if I can get a gas line for it. I'm kind of devoted already because I bought a bar and a chain for it. So we'll just see how it works. Well, we had this old Poland 2150 laying around. I'm going to use the bolts and hardware onto this Husqvarna 141 here. Because when I looked it up, it said that parts for the Husqvarna would fit on the Poland. So hopefully the Poland fits on the Husqvarna. So we're going to steal some parts out of that one. That one has a blowing motor in it. Use some of the hardware, and I found a piece of gas line for this. It doesn't leak now. So I'm going to put a filter on there and start putting this thing back together. Well, I didn't know your guys' battery went dead. So I went to the lumber yard and I got some more bolts than the ones they're going to have. I got them put in. Got them mounted back down. I got one more to put in right over here. Got all bolted down, secured to the rubber mounts now with the right bolts. All we gotta do is put that chain cover on, and put the bar on the chain, put the cover on, and then put the top cover on, and I gotta find that fuel filter. Put the fuel filter on, and I hook up the fuel line, and we should be able to try it out. See if it actually works.